Hi everyone, here comes another tip. Don't leave a heavy object if you're not sure. I am walking to the urgent care of Med Express. I tried to lift up the floor sanding machine. I have done numerous times. And okay, there's a car coming, so actually I'm kind of in the middle of the road and I cannot move fast. Sorry about that. So that is very bad. I was just trying to pick it up, and then this happened. I felt a greater surge of muscle pulling pain. So that's why that would happen. So next time, okay, now I gotta see the doctor. Yeah. So I tried to lift up this floor sanding machine, and then there's a very sharp, like a pain, like for a second, it's like it's like my mind is like flooded with that.
With the pain.
With that pain, right? So I know something happened to the muscle.
Do you feel any numbness or tingling in your legs?
The other part seems fine. And then I hold that position, for maybe about 3 minutes. Yeah, and then I maybe I feel it even longer. So because I just stay in the position, and then I actually come up a little bit, and then and then come over here.
Right. Now, so had you lifted it before and not had any problems?
I lifted that before. I know, but this is a very heavy subject. It's okay. Sure. Yes, my doctor, Dr. Holbrook. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I lifted, but this is, I know, it's actually, this heavy sanding machine is almost, should be actually beyond my ability.
Yeah.
But however, but I do it anyway. I should have, but it is very heavy.
Hop on up here.
Yeah. Okay.
Pull me towards you, like you're trying to pull me with your legs.
Okay. Towards you?
Towards you.
Towards me, myself. Okay.
As hard as you can. Oh. Hurts to do that?
Yeah.
Push me away.
Okay, push you away.
Spread your legs apart.
Okay, apart. Okay.
Squeeze them together.
Okay.
Lift this leg off up the table. Like you're trying to bend at the hip.
That will be probably maybe difficult, yeah.
Okay.
That would
And this one?
the pain, yeah.
And that.
Both of them,
Both of
yeah,
them
pain,
hurt?
yeah,
Okay.
both, yeah.
Lean forward for me.
Lean forward, okay.
Okay. All right, go ahead and lean all the way forward.
So you want to do that in a second, I can see
It's right there.
The pain.
Go ahead and lean forward as far as you can.
Forward, okay.
Yeah. That's where you feel it?
If I hold still, it seems I can still, okay. If it's some angle, probably is a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want you to twist to the right.
Okay, that's pretty problem. Twist to my right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah.
And now the other way.
Okay.
That one gets you. Okay. All right.
Oh my gosh.
And you feel it right there.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. All right, so you've got a little muscle spasm right there.
Okay.
So what we'll do is get some anti-inflammatories for the
Okay.
pain and the swelling.
Okay.
And hopefully get the pain under control for you, okay?
Okay. And then, so how long I can recover, can do all this moving, painting? What do you think?
It'd be up to you. Everybody's different. I mean,
Okay.
don't become a couch potato. Rest equals rust.
Okay.
So you look at those cars that sit out in the field and they just sit there. Eventually they rust away. We're the same way. We were meant to move. We were sent to do. No more heavy lifting. You can't do silly things like that. You gotta you've got to get somebody else to help you, or figure out a smarter way to get it.
Yeah.
But you've got to get that muscle spasm time to relax. Okay.
So how long that would take? Like
a week.
A week. Okay. All right.
Hopefully a week. So what we can do is, if you'd like, we can give you a shot of Toradol today. and that'll give you
Okay.
in the butt. And it's a pain medicine, but it won't make you loopy. It's not narcotic.
Okay.
It's anti-inflammatory.
Okay.
Um,
Can't still driving after that, like in
yeah,
to White
it
Sulphur
shouldn't cause any
Springs?
problems.
Okay.
It shouldn't cause any problems. It just helps
Okay.
with the pain and the swelling.
Okay, so I can.
Okay.
Yeah. This is probably the good advice, actually. What you're giving to view people
And
in
then,
this video. Yeah.
just basically take it easy, but don't
Okay.
stop. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, I'm going. Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. Everybody get a tail.
Dress up, we dress up.
Is it tonight?
Yep.
Oh, tonight, right?
Yep.
So is that children, bring children? Are you anyone?
Oh no, we do this here to have
Here?
fun with the kids. Yeah.
The kids will come here.
Yeah, we have kids that come
Really?
in throughout
Okay.
the day and they'll trick or treat in here.
Wow.
They'll go to
Okay.
the hospital and trick or treat down there.
This is the first time I heard actually the business doing the Halloween like a treat. So you guys have bought a medicine for them? No. Candies, of course. Okay. Trick or treat at the pharmacy. For medicines, no. for candies. Actually, yeah, that's wonderful. Many years you guys been doing this for many years? Yeah.
Yeah, a few.
Okay.
For
Wow.
a few years now.
I mean, I guess you're not the only business doing this, right? Other businesses are also doing that.
Other businesses will do it. They'll actually go down to the hospital. We just
Oh,
can't
really?
go down because
Oh,
we're
okay.
working. They won't let us close.
Until what time though? I mean, until what time they can come here, the kids?
We're open until 8, so
until
they can,
8
like
o'clock.
just throughout the day. If
Oh,
they
okay.
come in with medicine.
Oh, even at the daytime they do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
so like if they come in during the day, like because
Okay.
they go next
Treat,
door or something,
yeah,
we'll
I'm an
sit there
adult.
and we'll get treats.
Okay, that's
or
nice.
through the drive-through or something like that.
Wow,
Yeah.
really? Thank you. What's your name, man?
Mine's Sarah.
Tara? Okay.
I'm Sarah.
And then
This is Ashley.
Ashley?
Hi. This is Julie, and that's Rob.
Hi, Rob.
The hunter.
I think, look, this is West Virginia. Okay. What's the name of the pharmacy here?
This is Fritz's too.
Fritz's
Yeah.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks. Here's my buddy. Yeah, his name is Buddy.